Welcome to Tuts. I'm José Mota. In this course, we'll learn about testing Ruby code using RSpec 3. RSpec is used throughout the entire Ruby community for doing test-driven development. Previously to this brand new version 3, version 2 was released in October 2010, so it goes a long way with many different features being added to the framework. We've done a course on RSpec in 2012, so it's time for a refresher. We're going to explore some features available in RSpec 3 that weren't covered in RSpec 2. Still, most of the content in that course is still pretty valid, so be sure to check that out if you want to get a general glimpse of test-driven development. If you are unfamiliar with Ruby, then we advise you to check the Ruby Fundamentals course. This course covers every single basic element of the Ruby language. Check that one first before jumping into testing Ruby code with RSpec 3. With that said, I'm going to give you the agenda for what we're going to cover. We're going to start with a basic introduction on how to install RSpec 3 and bootstrap it into one project. Next, we're going to start exploring the tool by writing some tests. I'm going to show you the basic features of RSpec through direct exercise. We'll talk about the different matchers that you can use to perform assertions, different ways of specifying contexts, and using filters, and so on. After that, we're going to tinker with RSpec's features. There are some things about RSpec that make it so valuable, such as Stubs Mocks, which allow you to simulate behavior or state. And then we're going to explore the ideas of skipping tests, sharing common tests between different scenarios, which make for a more focused kind of development. Last but not least, we're going to cover RSpec for integration testing. We're going to cover two specific scenarios. One of them will use Active Record with Factory Girl, and then we're going to explore rack integration. This will allow us to test web servers with RSpec. We'll finish off with a final review of the work that we've done and the knowledge that we've learned. So let's get right down to business. Let's jump into the next lesson to get started.